Good Golly Garage Doors in Phoenix, Arizona. 428 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. That is genuinely rare, and they earned it. Today we're not touching their work. We're auditing their marketing. And the gap between how good they are and how easy they are to find, it's big. We scanned a 5-mile radius around their shop for garage door repair company. They landed in the top 3 map packs 0% of the time. Average rank not even in the top 20. Most homeowners never scroll past those 3 map results. So for most nearby searches, this 5-star company is basically invisible. Their mobile site scores 47 out of 100 on Google's own speed test, and the main content takes over 5 seconds to show up. Someone whose garage door won't close at night is on a phone in a hurry. 5 seconds is an eternity. They hit back and call the next company. Their site carries a metapixel, that's code that tracks Facebook visitors, yet Meta's public ad library shows 0 active ads under their name, and there's no Google Ads conversion tag anywhere. A busted garage door is a search Google right now emergency. That highest intent channel looks untouched. Then the on-page basics. No meta description. So Google writes its own blurb under their search result, and Google's version rarely sells the click. And 2 H1 headings on the home page, which waters down the page's main topic instead of reinforcing one clear keyword. And no video anywhere. Nothing on the home page, no YouTube channel under the business name. 428 happy customers, and the fastest trust builder in marketing sits completely unused. Notice the pattern? None of this is advanced. It's the basic checklist. And if someone's being paid to run this marketing, they should have caught every item on it. Across the industry, it's the same story. Retainers get collected, junior staff juggle 80 accounts, and nobody actually looks. Here's the part most owners don't know yet. With AI, these exact fixes can now run automatically. With a little guidance, you can run this in-house, own the whole thing, and never depend on an agency again. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.